birthday needs a big song to go with it. So everybody join in as we sing happy birthday to PJ. To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear PJ, happy birthday to you. Okay, DJ, it's time for you to blow up the candles. 1, 2, 3.
Okay mga kids, kakanta ulit tayo ng birthday song. Kailangan malakas, malinaw at sabay-sabay ha. 1, 2, 3, sing! Happy birthday to you! Malakas!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday
to you!
Okay, isa pa, may kasama palakpak naman!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Sige, sige.
Alright, Michelle and Sean, on count of 3, wish and blow the candle ha. 1, 2, 3, blow. Blow mo naman siya, blow mo, blow. Ibuluhan. Bilisan mo. Oh! Bilisan mo. Alright, palakpak naman dyan. Okay, kaya. Ay, pinahiran. Ay! Pahiram din. Pahiram mo din siya. Pahiram mo din. Kiss, kiss. Kiss.
Kiss na, kiss, ate, ate.
Wow, ang sweet naman. Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa. Bipicturean. Alright. Okay, say happy birthday siya yung malakas.
Happy birthday, son!
Isa pa, say happy birthday Michelle yung malakas.
Happy birthday, Elaine!
Alright, palakpak!
Ano lalagay mo dito? Ayan, 1, 2, 3!
Sing happy birthday to PJ.
1, 2, 3! Sumada! Ano siya basa? Basa? Wait, tanggal mo kamay mo!
Okay, DJ, it's time for you to blow out the candles. 1, 2.
Paano stop to 10? Stop.
Alright, now